Truck models. The PL 8540 Toyota Tacoma Smart Lock Combo with Bolt technology is a handle replacement manual and power lock designed for models 2005 to 2015. Available for trucks with or without a factory tailgate lock. Parts included: handle assembly, power lock assembly, 2-wire cable ties. Smart Lock Combo Kit. Lock and unlock your tailgate with a key or push of a button using the OEM key fob. Bolt codeable technology allows you to use your own ignition key. After first use, it permanently learns the key code. This tailgate lock discourages theft and creates a secured storage space. Trusted security. Pop Lock provides the aftermarket price on truck accessories with reliable products for your automotive and truck adventures on and off the road. Through continuous improvement, we work to meet our customers' expectations while never sacrificing quality. What customers are saying. A customer shared that installing this power tailgate smart lock with Bolt technology was straightforward and not difficult. If you follow the wiring harness, it should be easy, and the instructions are very clear on the colored wires you are looking for. January 2022. For best results. Pop Lock is made in the USA and are the industry leaders in aftermarket tailgate lock solutions for pickup trucks. For best results, customers have also purchased the Gate Defender and codeable padlock for added security. Top reviews from the United States. Best option out there. After a bunch of research, I landed on this model for my 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Install was easy. There are a bunch of YouTube videos on it. It is a bit loud at first, like many people mentioned, but you don't notice it after a while.